6 people have been charged over the alleged murder of a man whose body was found in concrete at a Brisbane transport depot. The pair, aged 28 and 24, have been charged with murder and misconduct with the corpse in relation to the death of Andrew John Walsh. Watch the video above. Woman's warning after napkin found on car door landed her in hospital. In March, Walsh's remains were discovered after police drilled into recently poured concrete at the Coopers Plains depot. Griffiths, 35, was last seen alive in the Brisbane CBD in January before his mother reported him missing on Australia Day. Detective Inspector Damien Hansen said police would continue searching for Griffiths and have not ruled out further charges. "We've conducted a number of search warrants and crime scene warrants and to date, we have not located his remains," he said. The senior homicide detective said the investigation has involved an enormous amount of work involving hundreds of inquiries. Detectives are continuing their appeal for public information about what happened to both men.
And finally, thank you all for watching the video. Please like and comment your opinion so we can discuss together. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell to follow and update many other interesting news. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.